Open a bonu nwi because susu dwa wanu mo yane wa na te ha TikToker Efua Nash ebusia media nso amanfo dem no TikTokers ene na be class ni nyina fa na interview ye na onko kasa was every blessed day or spending 5,000 Ghana cedis titi sika do 50 million deviada Efia bodam Efia dwenya aduma was spending 50 million deviada no na mo just Efia no man na no say na mo account for Efia spend 50 million Efia TikTokers na class me wan chire mu no a chire wadwe ama me e wo comment section aha Penyah block media me so say ni die mo obe like video no other ma subscribe button so back the KBI notification icon no latest update aba chire wadwe de ama me e wo comment section best also baso no see no for so enya bi ahwe enti ma fa kwa jaka be last year ni mo somewhere I get September ni mo and there was a lady be surfacing on the internet or a TikToker even Efua Nash video a man be fame a man be famous video as odi go be 40 cedis.
Guess what is here? God bear. What's my fear? Can't wait. Deni ko yue. Yue mi nyale. Na makoda. Yue mi nyale. Wait a minute. No, wait a minute.
Obabesi atenase se fetire na no buy gobe mu 40 cedis what about hey that is a crazy di gobe 40 cedis why I just understand content no eh yadidie edigwa me fa no kwame zokoto ne wo faase ana zokoto ba ko say zokoto or there ezibana ba na aha ezibana zizi ezibana ebia na lady oye Efua Nash oye odidi pa odidi the other of the odidi ankasa the content odidi ankasa and what the promote amount for restaurant any other nice na lady after say odi go be 40 senior that na ana kwakum and cry in interviews oba be say na odidi say na dai you say oh we one dey omu fie no ahokyere wo na ahokyere osika de bi ni obet aduane de na aduane aguso is on trans odidi a no odi man ho se pe no
I didn't say be a croquet to a monk or a moody sir. Uko Crasia Fufu, a debate by the boy you cannot cassia titu cocoa as by any other. Yeah. That's what Kelly Boning na.
Boning na. Mr. Mamma, young one, your young one, son, I have already been quampro. Quampro, no, dear goon contumely swama cash. Any brobe, they be moved friend cocoa no. Near dear gusto, not as say. Oh, buy cash. Yes, what did you want much a day?
Mad much a day no.
To bank and on I say. Sebi krasini akoda oboni ese ayeti breakfast ese ndे o mpekura
eno de na me mpe na me obi am sheda mpe ne ma ye sugar thing enti setin kura ba ya mame a e bia je se me wo ho de a me hu ha wa me ye no eno so mi pen bebre
okay
ni e meme wo ye ne ketwa e bia memu na but unhu mitima me bo de akra
opa the cap
ma because baby am free ne ye cap nketenkete ne bi ni ho akese ni bi
ye
bonsua enu kura bi wo kwampa chance na udim akofa ne ye wom ne wo nom tutumi no ma
mo na sebi mo mi akro mo de pa no bonsuo ai ti mo no no
bro ko ne ne nyina sa ne no miti
odi o nka aha odi pa no ne bom no
ebi wa wadi ase kosia hye mu dia meka ba kosia hye mu a me di bubom ene ne nyina enkofo bi amu be me o me se ewuzu de kakra wo mu o me di bubom se because me di buma efo ti ni wurawura mu me ka na matimi akakese
you said you did go heaven
bako heaven ba we hu
ah wo did you go there wo heaven ho
me mom appetite
awo
heaven ho o mi appetite
ya foto dwom no
dabi
wo di wadua ne sem kosi ya me ni se nyame betwe ma o sa
nyame betwe ma me dodo
okay enti wo hwa ahokira na wo namu na fe no wani akogina wachi ne se nipa na na ti de o ma wadua ne but ne
en for me
o ka se ran for si dabi ge we ye villager dabi we kurasi ni wala se we kurasi enya no nko a o za koye interview with Abeku Santana o ko repeat that ase we ya e ho no there's a lady am no kana asem no ana nansi is our first ekwe ni interview is a big girl it is our first ekwe ni interview na interview na evidence okura average in a day say na wo spend ewo daku bia dasro ba de chia how much do you spend get you go be na no a or spend at least one spend okura de enye 50 million daku yeah order ma de chi ne da bia no or spend 50 million 5,000 ever dey go kwana e bro su bebile
or affordable or okay to live in this country called Ghana?
It's expensive. Yeah. It's expensive.
How expensive is it?
Because I don't know how to say it, but there are obeshenu usha pie you get a lot of comments. And I will share it 2 times. But you see that you're gonna get a lot of comments. I'm gonna say, Oni atari. They be an or shatali back, but it's not like that. Dear me, misika kotono. I feel like it looks nice on me. Intimation biome. You understand? And see, no social problem on. So in then, yeah, definitely, I was so koto before. Now,
I tell you what she intimation biome.
No.
Into other back. You know, shall tell one time.
One time, but not. Oh, I mentioned one time. I feel like no, we mean person manako. There was a minjam to for a couple of months. Na masanche.
Yes, I'm for refusal.
Everyone feel. Everyone feel. Every monetize it.
Nti ebi adwuma ne say omo de omo ntra no omo hwe nta manfo hye sa.
Yes. And they are good in it. Even if say we share 5 months we repeat ya. On make say is it not Italian when we share the last time? Me can hear. Yes. Even cry wig crampo we share. How wig is no? Enye say bia ma share san wo meti so ama na di bia 3 months. I mean to me share. But the ones say we share na me fan say bia next week we san share. Then people will be writing a whole lot. I think only like what can I say? Yeah.
You know, entirely expensive and what the one?
Expensive. Yes.
What's the most expensive outfit that you've bought for yourself?
I think 5,400.
What do you call it?
Now me call program B, and the program no na dia me person mission. And no na me person mission.
What's the most expensive wig that you've bought for yourself?
I think that one is some long wig be me to 12,000.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. On a daily basis, like in a day, averagely how much do you spend on yourself? I mean, food and transportation and all that. And is it okay?
Yes, it's a lot too. Food, credit, just a lot.
You talk credit every day?
Not every day, but sending now. Somebody say be a name, me jina answer my credit be a 500 cedis. Calculate it and say we need day crampona. It's also part. Yeah.
On a normal day. And I'm sorry, do be the everybody the base say my breakdown of that on a normal day.
With what I'm going to wear and go out, is it part?
Yeah.
Hush. Okay. On the normal day, make I say beer. I don't want to do this though. I'm not expensive, but I'm expensive. 5,000 is fine.
On a normal day?
Yes. Sometimes me spending more than that. Yes.
Spending on what?
Yes. Me di anopa and yes me nkwa. Enti me di anopa. And anopa nso no be di ewia. Uwia, obeto fuo, obeto credit. And when as you are outside, you know, ubehu bibia, you go for it as well.
Which car be?
Oh, Honda Civic.
Honda Civic.
Yeah.
Okay. Do you know the engine capacity?
Not really. Yeah.
But I mean, full tank car won't be up to like 1,000 cedis.
Full tank. No.
You know, 5,000 a day. No. Say how much do you earn to be spending averagely or about 5,000?
Okay, this is me can say. How am me no? Ebi am ko baby a enye baby na me kwa me drive ko. Wahu. Nti bi o sana e was say me booking for ride. What I say? Sometimes a brompo who booking for ride na so before you around sir. Obe end by taking a 1,800 and I said 2,000. Yes.
On just taxi hailing now.
Yes, no. Nya in person obe kono abesi wo. Odo be your rounds nyina.
Hey, then life is expensive.
Yes.
1,800 cedis on transportation a day.
Yes.
Every baby. No, what kind of same way, you know? I don't was now be through. Wait a minute. Efua Nash. Who didn't say the beer didn't know did you know the can offer her now did the Karawiamu now did you trust this fetcher when I drive you and go young did this said you fool did ye? I don't know say way. Now 5,000 no dear uncle now we the day to spend it for 5,000. What they quiet, we yet dear bay, dear. Emu, I'm a fierce any annual into also SRB with another counter defense and obey you. That's matter munya here for trumpet and mobile munya crash only be no corner to ensure what you did. Ensure what you go.
1,000, 5. What me here shocking you? What me here shocking matter? Una on charge. It's even too small, my dear. Do you know amount of money some people are spending a day? I beg. If you don't have money, when someone is talking about money, please take a seat, relax, breathe in and breathe out, and listen to the person. person. Man, cause I spending 5,000 I said a day. So it means say a day no near bia a woman no near bia a woman a day a juice then square bro the man who corner where expenses is also it's no be can near all spend here my money yet too shocking
and so Efua Nash be kind wa be brani kuro uko media ne so a oh boys ne so Efua ye ne wa na ti kurum ha o say ye na mo sha bodon e start be man kwase pressure ana be ma de say o be me a e so twi je wagon e so o tika we mu twi Range Rover enya sa be kwa enyina me enne ni ye go find me for mo sha bodon e dem say Efua bro once Efua nya botre de je numudwa ne kasa beberebe no na wunuru ba bia wo spend 50 million say 10 million dey kura wo spend even ja kasa no
Hey, I'm just Casade. In other countries, no crown, no money say Ghana here, especially Accra, is very expensive. But Mr. Mwala, I am just Casa, and Moroso, and Master Moba, Munya baby from Team Friend. Na mutimi kasa asemba ne yachimwa mode be wada munya baby ana mode afa ede boy 5,000 na 5,000 50 million no ani sika 50 million a day de bia no ana wo spend na me pacho ene da be ene Wednesday ene wuku day 5,000 why spend the area ana ugusu a wo spend the kusi 5,000 ana ya kaka say interview the person okona aka bibi na the trending Efua to boate ne nyame ne hene
La Familia with Jimmy. So I wake up this morning to see a video via Efua Nash, a lady or them screen so I did your app so cassette. A day, 24 hours a day. And a nipa crano, you sleep more than 8 hours. If you have answer what 8 hours. So over spending 16 hours a day. And Saturday, Efua Nash was spending 5,000 Ghana cedis, 50 million. And shadanya big deal be out 50 million there. Uniska na adi nya beka kwa asem enkenye sika bia. But a single day, I challenge content be nkwa na wutwa. Site be na okọ. How many people now know mo ye adwuma a day 50 million or then and we ada na more too pressure man for media so sa. Na say what me calculate kura kwase me calculate anyansa nim. Me calculate nyansa say enim 30 days 5,000 one calculate na for to comment section. Chale Efua Nash enye sika bia de but enyo bi wo ha ni se mo beka to pressure man for app no so. Entina na some way bia na me side with Carlos no because you say oba be di matem akan gba asem mo man for pressure too much. What you say mo man for pressure too much sa na ere. Wo high dan onye say bia wo bi dan na to high dan na a month o spend almost billions. Content be na ucha. Any Hercules mo zonga say. Simbad money kabi le mu no omutwa content abode dey almost spending 8 billion. Na bosu me almost spending 100 trillion. Adamade. Oh, ya munya za nkwa si asem no. What the hell, man?
Charlie, me video na laptop was you know.
1,000, 5. It's even too small, my dear. If you don't have money, when someone is talking about money, please take a seat, relax, breathe in and breathe out, and listen to the person. Man, cause I'm spending 5,000 I said a day.
It's a long video na here no. This week na ke book press one. E dey ato payroll, e dey na to roll no so. But I say get we person ojefa. Wow, mommy en fama ne. Mo de mo Jimmy na mugu app we so na. Mo man ko for a pressure 100 tomo no because when your numbers intino or the pressure be obi na ato no. Mo Jimmy no, me so go for video na be is true this guy has money, this guy has money oh. Jimmy. Lady we person tell say every day bia no spend it 5,000 every day. Which is month no spend it 1.5 billion in a month. Tobe sa abako na account mu na ikura and 100 million na account mu. Tobe ni dede bragging sa o destiny helper ba be boa okran po a o dede ne wo kasa bebrebe nti destiny helper be kasa na okra wo ska chen me destiny helper be kasa wo se okra wo ska chen aden na pressure to aden ya na de na mo pe aden de na mo pe sa moje force what ya kra like sa life no aden and I'm also Jimmy na mama pressure we are told will be so a day we spend now despite or whisker crowd I mean a day we spend this thing. What be catch them so we day we spend 5,000 concert. A day we spend 5,000 concert. We nim do ya on me say be a video news or be comment na side you zika wa bodam. Masa ye ma me chiri bia ye so nkra ye ma me so concerning trobia ngu ekom ebu ekom ye be me yi me de si form tam wo sha senior skada benya wo ba spend 5,000 a day wunya skada benya wo be spend 5,000 a day aden ya na trobi aden etu ko tena saloon oko saloon horom na ko tron ma akoswa we 3 obu yakoswa 1,000 ne boye dia 3 2 obu ne boye dia 1,000 pe 1,000 Ghana pe. No, I be jina se me spend 5,000 am so much jedi. O sa se nye skada me yo spend 5,000 aden. Mo to kra na mo ibi kra to mo do mo man go bi de pressure hunu bi to mo do. Se me spend 5,000 a day. Mo nim de mo ye ho concert. We so oba kwa a day was spend ya me so yi advert na okwa choba ni ya te sama na di na free one ma. A day was spend ya, a day was spend ya 100 cedis. Men can na da. A day was spend this guy 100 cedis. Na minimum 100 cedis no difference between 100 cedis and 1,000, 100 and 1,000 no difference with them. So me spend 5,000 a day. Concert that's why nya wasa akọ life. You mu catch as I can akọ life. As kani kasa na oni sky din. Udi agro life mo.
Efua Nash said a day was spending 5,000 Ghana cedis. What they call Ghana it is getting 50 million. 50 million times 30. Every month or spending almost 1.5 to 1.8 billion life in Accra. Now my first question I'm person maybe say Efua Nash and it say, is it compulsory so we go interview a question be say be our answer? And then the first question I may be so. I think so as an influencer, or shall tell about people will talk about it. If say I'm passing 5,000 cedis every day was spending there, then I put it to you say you don't plan well. And also you will live your life according to what people say. Because I don't get it. You cannot tell me say every day be auto new dresses just to impress your fans so that your fans will not say oh you're poor. Sometimes we have something we call living according to what you have and not what people will say. One thing about you influencers, they say mobile out among cannot crunch you. You be so question now catch on say you are an influencer and you want to live a soft life until you spend more. Don't make it look as if say other people are not doing anything in this life. Because obi owo sakra me nyini say do obetena na to so I spend 5,000 Ghana cedis for nothing. If says every month I will spend 10,000, 20,000, I understand. Because I don't really know the number of people you take care of. I don't really know the number of staffs you do. But every day 5,000 Ghana cedis. Oh, slow. We know say cost of living is higher in Accra, but I don't get it.
Nature say we are so we are abafu. Hey, Efua Nash was saying a day be our spend the 5,000. Aden, why doing yours 5,000 Ghana cedis in 500 cedis wrong? Ana calculation in Efua Nash in him. Hey, Fuana, oh, na day.
What does it? Efia Casadodo. Efia, is the moon na beke kayen. O spend 50 million, say. Yes, mama branti, mama pressure, mama pressure, hunu, mama youngest pressure, hunu, kwasia pressure, of the man wumu. Mama kwasia pressure. Who spend 50 million a day? Despite the class when you say a day, despite was when you say a day. Now always very saving a day. Class you more than one. Yeah, more than one. Ebusia, it's already a few some at the amano. Chirajo mama, comment section. How you Penyah Block Media. Okay.